You see a chip beneath the light. I see a quest through endless night. From humble grains of common sand to nano blades that shape the land. This is no simple factory floor. It's order drawn from chaos's core. Yeah. It starts with sand and piercing heat with purity. Fire me, the crystal puller draws a line. An ingot born, a slow design. Then a slicing, grinding, polishing begin. Each wafer lies like water pure within. No single flaw, no hidden wound can hide. One tiny drift turns all the work aside. First oxide walls, then films of atoms rise like gateways, reaching for tomorrow's skies. This isn't matter merely stacked in space. It's structure growing into working grace. The clean room stands a bright and silent hall where even breathing answers to the call. No need to shout, precision burns inside. Behind each nanometer rests their pride. Beneath the glare, no magic clears the way. Just calibration, day by quiet day. They drive chance out and forge an iron will, so massive dreams can rest upon the scale. From simple sand to orchestrated art, from beams of light to silicons beating hard. In unseen depths they carve the error's mark and plan a trillion functions in the dark. From rounded edge to highly structured grid, behind each piece 1,000 nights solid. You call it just a chip, but here it started. It's the future engineered with heart. The stage is set for lithographic grace, where light is used to cut and carve the space. The photoresist receives the shadowed lines, a line exposed. Develop the designs when EUV ignites a blinding spark. A giant world is shrunk into the dark. 2,000 steps, yet 90 must survive. Each tiny miss is like we're 1 in 20,000 lives. Then etching, doping, build a layer towers. A microscopic war of unmatched power. CMP sweeps the rugged surface flat. A daring stand if you would aim to match. Oh, this rigorous craft demands an iron spine, engraving spirit into every line. Transistors stand like stars across the night. The metal wires wake like nerves of light. Electrons race too fast to leave a trace. Guardians of the spark in empty space. The screen that brightly glows within your hand. The AI mind that seems to understand. You never see the grueling road beneath the shrinking errors and the gritted teeth. This isn't luck, but unrelenting fire. A quiet march that never seems to tire. True greatness doesn't boast or shout its name. It makes the hardest miracles look tame. The front and fades, the back and takes the floor. Metrology will judge the scars they bore. What fails is tossed, what passes must remain. To prove its worth and validate the pain. The dies are cut like jewels from the earth. The packaging gives power second birth. Through heat and signals every step aligns, so every chip can serve the grand design. Into the service cars and clouds they fly, where modern systems push the limits high. You see the launchings and the benchmark score, but not the nameless craftsmen at the core. They do not wear their greatness on their sleeve. They force the details only they believe. From one small grain to centers of the world, each generation proves its lasting worth. From simple sand to orchestrated art, from beams of light to silicons beating hard. In nano depths they carve the living mark and build tomorrow's engine in the dark. From rounded edge into the cosmic vast, behind one wafer history is cast. Ask who deserve the honor and the light. It's those who pour their lives into the fight. When rapid progress takes the world by storm, remember those who gave the chaos form. They turned their quiet patience to precision and built the grander scale from microvision. It's not just great because it wins the fight. It makes each detail beautiful and right. You see a chip, a tiny glowing key. I see a sand grain move the world through TSMC.